Tusculum, Gray, Spurgeon, Oak Grove, Moshine, Bulls Gap, Baileyton, Chucky, Jarlstown, Davy Crockett Birthplace, Limestone, Fall Branch, Leesburg, Telford, and Romeo. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. Please report observed flooding to local emergency services or law enforcement and request they pass this information to the National Weather Service when you can do so safely.
Flirting with eugenicist concepts here, and there's a slippery way that he has of talking where he
I have no only G.
drops under his
I eat water. My God's not willing that